Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to join objects in Bambu Studio. So what we are going to do is hold down the Control key uh, on Windows or on Mac CMD and click the objects. Now you see that both of them are selected. Okay, now we can right click on it and we can, sorry, this one is not correct. Right click on it. And what we can see here now, we have here some menu. So what we are going to do, if you see something like assemble, you can click on that. But we can do it now here with merge because we see this one here. So like that. And now if I click away and click again, now you see that both of these models are now as one. So I can move both of them. Or I can also edit both of them. And yeah, this is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.